Times Health Excellence Award 2024, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. I humbly request our Honorable Governor of Telangana, Shri Jishnu Dev Varma Garu, to please do the honors and join us for lighting of the lamp. So ladies and gentlemen, let us move on. As we started by thanking our sponsors, just continuing that, I would also like to call on stage Mr. Aditya Reddy, the Executive Director, Shri Aditya Luxury Vantage, to please join me on stage.
Today we gather here to appreciate all the tireless efforts and unwavering dedication that went into saving countless lives and improving the lives of families. So it's a real honor to be part of the celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, gives me immense pleasure to call on stage our chief guest for today, His Excellency the Honorable Governor of Telangana, Shri Jishnu Dev Varma Garu. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have you on stage, sir?
Position our city as a global healthcare hub, a beacon of hope for patients worldwide. The unparalleled courage displayed by doctors and healthcare workers during the COVID-19 pandemic stands as a testimony of their dedication. They are not only treated the body but uplifted the soul of humanity during one of the gravest crises of our times. The Sanskrit term Arogyam Paramabhagyam, health is the greatest wealth. To the awardees tonight, my warmest congratulations. Your contribution not only save lives but inspire the future of medicine.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to begin with our first category of the evening, which is Pioneer in Women and Children Hospital. Dr. Dinesh Kumar Chirla, the Director, along with Dr. Pranati Reddy, Clinical Director, Rainbow Children's Hospital. Next category, ladies and gentlemen, the leading multi-speciality hospital of the year, which goes to Continental Hospital. Mr. Raghu N. Reddy, President and Director of Continental Hospitals. Our next category is going to be Hall of Fame in Vascular Surgery, which goes to Dr. Prem Chand Gupta from Care Hospital. While Dr. Prem Chand is taking his award, let me call the Hall of Fame in Orthopedics, which goes to Dr. T. Chiranjeevi from Kim Sunshine Hospital. Now I humbly request Dr. P. Parthasarathy Reddy from FMS International Dental Center for bagging the Hall of Fame in Dentistry. Congratulations. Now let us call the legend in bariatric surgery. That goes to Dr. Krishna Mohan Yarlagadda, the Leeds Medical Center. Neonotechnology, which goes to Dr. Dinesh Kumar Chirla from Rainbow Children's Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen. Let me call our next awardee, the legend in bariatrics and medical cosmetology, which goes to Dr. V. Ravindranath Reddy from Clinic 2000. Can we have you on stage, sir? Congratulations. I would like to call the legend in pediatric surgery, Dr. Harish Jairam from Rainbow Children's Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen. Moving on to the next category, legend in robotic joint replacements, which goes to Dr. Sunil Dechapalli from Yashoda Hospital. I call the legend in knee replacement advances, which goes to Dr. Prabhat Reddy, Regenio Center of Orthopedics. Can we have you here, sir? Icon in integrated diagnostic service, which goes to Vijay Diagnostic Center. Congratulations, V. Sivarama Raju, Head Strategy and Investor Relationship. Dr. Anuj Jain, Director, Nuclear Medicine. Let us move on to the next category where they say ranked number 2 in the dental clinic in Hyderabad 2024, which goes to National Dental Care. Congratulations. We request Dr. Yugardhan, Managing Director, National Dental Care, to please join us. The next award is Icon in Medical Oncology, which goes to Dr. Palanki Satya, Renova Hospital. Can we have Dr. Palanki please joining us on stage? Congratulations to you, sir. Let us from Telangana move towards Andhra, because we are going to give the Icon in Surgical Oncology, which goes to Dr. B.S. Veeraraju from Surya Global Hospital. Move on to our next category, which is Excellence in Healthcare Facility, which goes to Amor Hospitals. So Dr. Kishore, Managing Director, and Mr. Nagendra. I will call our next awardees Icon in Infertility Treatment, which goes to Dr. Vidyalata Atluri, the Continental Fertility Center. Moving on to, as they say, rank number 2 single specialty ophthalmology hospital in Hyderabad, which goes to Smart Vision Eye Hospitals. I request Dr. Revati. Now our last award for this session is for the leading derma chain in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, which goes to Oliva Skin Hair and Clinic, Dr. Rekha Singh, the Chief of Medical Education. Thank our chief guest for today, His Excellency and Honorable Governor of Telangana, Shri Jishnu Dev Varma Garu, for being over here and doing the honors and making this evening so special. How do we prioritize, make the mental and physical health be the priority after delivery? How do we do that?
One of the things we really don't think about is postpartum. Because as doctors, as pregnant women who go through pregnancy, somehow delivery seems to be the end point of that journey. And I think all of us are equally culpable in making the postpartum period a not very significant period. But birth is a life-changing event in a woman's life, and post-delivery recovery is extremely important. And I think we need to start conversations around this very quickly, because world over it's accepted that the postpartum period in a woman's life is the most neglected period, and this can have really long-term impact on her physical and mental health.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ms. Sonali Bendre on stage.
I'm so happy to be here because this is very special, the awards. And you all know why these awards are special for me. Because these are very special people who have been part of my journey, and nobody can stand here and say how important doctors are more than I can say that. So it's an absolute honor to be here and to be part of Times Health Excellence Awards, because, and this is their 5th edition. So it's lovely that I get the chance. I'm going to say that you must have this edition more, and every year you must invite me.
Let me call upon our first category, which is Icon in Hair Transplant. And this award goes to Dr. Raj Kirit EP from Celesti Skin Laser and Hair Clinic. Ladies and gentlemen. Next category, which is Pioneer Pediatric Intensive Care category. And the winner is Dr. Preetham Kumar from Rainbow Children's Hospital. pioneer in dental implant surgery, which goes to Dr. M. Srinivas, D. Fine Dental Hospital. The next category is Service Excellence Liver Diseases and Liver Transplantation. And in this category, the winner is Liver Diseases and Liver Transplantation, Dr. Senthil Kumar, NT from Continental Hospital. Congratulations. Let me call our next awardee in the category of Icon in Kidney Transplant, which goes to Dr. Dhananjay KL from Continental Hospital. Congratulations. So I call upon our next awardee, Icon in Advanced Laparoscopic, and which goes to Dr. Rajesh Unnamatla from Kim's Hospital, Gachibowli. Can we hear it? Moving on to our next category, Icon in Fertility Care, which goes to Dr. B. Sirisha Rani from Medsi Hospital and IVF. Congratulations. Moving on to our next category, as they say, ranked #1 single specialty, which goes to FMS International Dental. Congratulations. Can we have the FMS team? Next category is Icon in Pediatric Intensive Care, and that goes to Dr. Kiran Kumar from Continental Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Dr. Kiran Kumar. Let us move on to our next category, which is Icon in Breast Cancer. Dr. Praveen Kumar from Continental Hospital. Congratulations. We call upon our next awardee for the category Icon in Pediatric Gastroenterology, which goes to Dr. Prashant Bachina from Rainbow Children's Hospital. Dr. Prashant. Let me call upon our next category awardee, the #1 clinic in Skin and Dermatology, Hyderabad 2024, which goes to Celesti Skin, Laser and Hair Clinic. I request Dr. Raj Kirit, EP Founder and Chairman, and Dr. Sri Devi. Let us move on to our next category, which is the Dental Clinic in Hyderabad 2024, which goes to Sarita Dental Clinic. So Dr. Ravindra, Dr. Akash and Dr. Deepika Reddy, I request you to please join us on stage. Let me call upon our next awardee, Icon in Laparoscopic Hernia, which goes to Dr. Praveen Kumar. Ladies and gentlemen, Sri Nandaka Advanced Surgery. All right, moving on to our next category, which is Icon in Pulmonology and Sleep Disorder Specialist, which goes to Dr. Vijay Kumar from Apollo Hospital. So on behalf of him, we have Dr. Vijay. We have his daughter, Miss Moksha. Moving on to our next category, leading clinic for advanced dental care in Hyderabad, which goes to Park Dental Care. Moving on to Icon in Cosmetic Dentistry, which goes to Dr. Srinivar Yelamanchi from Define Dental Hospital. Let me call the Excellence in Advanced Rehab Institute and Excellence Inpatient and Outpatient Services, which goes to Vita Nova Rehabilitation Center, a division of Continental Hospitals. Moving on to our Service Excellence in Orthopedic Oncology, which goes to Dr. Kishore B. Reddy from Amore Hospitals. Make some noise for them. Congratulations, Dr. Kishore. for the service excellence in medical oncology now, Dr. Rekha Bansal from Apollo Hospitals. Moving on to our next category, service excellence in psychiatry and psychotherapy, which goes to Dr. Sumita Sharma from Manasa Hospitals. Can we have Dr. Sumita Sharma please joining us on stage? Moving on to our next category, which is service excellence in arthroscopy and sports medicine, which goes to Dr. Pratap from KIMS Hospital, Kondapur. Let us move on to our next category, which is service excellence in advanced aesthetic procedures, which goes to Dr. Lakshmi Divya from Dermic Advanced Skin and Hair Clinic. Let me call upon the outstanding IVF Center of the Year, which goes to Isha IVF Fertility Center. Sir, can we have the team, Isha Fertility, joining us? Moving on to our next category, service excellence in surgical oncology, which goes to Dr. Ajesh Raj Saxena from Apollo Hospital. Congratulations. Next awardee in the category Service Excellence in Internal Medicine, which goes to Dr. Krishna Prasad Anne from Pranam Hospitals. Can we have him on stage, Dr. Krishna? Moving on to our next category, Service Excellence in High-Risk Pregnancies, Dr. Kavya Priya from KIMS Cuddles. Can we have you on stage, ma'am, Dr. Kavya Priya? We'll call upon the Service Excellence in Advanced Cosmetic Dermatology, Dr. Divya Shri from Dermic Advanced Skin and Hair Clinic. We'll call upon the Service Excellence in Genitourinary Surgery and Andrology, Dr. P. Banu Teja Reddy from Continental Hospital. I will call our next awardee, Emerging Super Speciality Hospital 2024, Med 1 Hospital. Can we have Dr. Manjunath, COO, and Mr. Ardik Reddy, Vice President Operations, to please join us? I would call our next awardee, Service Excellence in Reproductive Medicine, Dr. Sumina Reddy from Fertilica IVF and a Women Care Center. Moving on to our next category, Service Excellence in Regenerative Aesthetic Dermatology, which goes to Dr. Vijay Deepika. Vijay Deepika from Dermic Advanced Skin and Hair Clinic. I would call upon the Emerging Hospital in Ophthalmology, Hyderabad 2024. The award goes to True Vision Eye Hospital. I request Dr. Satya Prasad Balki, founder True Vision Eye Hospital, to please join us. Moving on to our next category, which is Service Excellence in Robotic Joint Replacement Surgery, goes to Dr. Manoj Kumar from MGM Medical Center. Moving on to Service Excellence in Shoulder Surgery, Dr. Prashant Meshram from Apollo Hospital. Moving on to Service Excellence in Cosmetic Dentistry, which goes to Dr. Ashok Chandra Sunkara from Pradham Dental. Service Excellence in Chiropractic and Psychotherapy goes to Dr. G. Raghupati Yadav from Southern Spine. The Service Excellence in Head and Neck Surgery goes to Dr. G. Kranti Kumar from Continental Hospital. Emerging in Rheumatology and Clinical Immunology goes to Dr. Ramya Reddy. Moving on to Service Excellence in Laparoscopic Gastrointestinal Surgery, which goes to Dr. Harish Gautam from KIMS Hospital. While I call the emerging dental clinic in Hyderabad, which goes to Pradham Dental Kondapur. Service excellence in Ayurveda for autism and ADHD care. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Santishri B. Sethi from Sri Padama Ayurvedam. Congratulations. Call upon the service excellence in autism homeopathy in Andhra Pradesh, which goes to Dr. Sujir Telagam Shetty from Helio Homeopathy. Icon in critical care and intensive care services in Andhra Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Surya Global Hospital. Dr. BHPS Veera Raju, founder, and Dr. B. Karuna, director and team Surya Global Hospital. Congratulations to all the awardees. You all deserve it, and thank you so much.